In this video, I will show how to earn $5 per minute by typing CAPTCHAs, which is one of the simplest methods to make money on the internet today. What is the best way to go about it? This is something we are going to discover. This is how to input words to get rewarded. It is possible to make money online simply by inputting basic phrases in this manner. Now, before I go into detail about how you may do this, I want to clarify something. Fill in the blanks with your country's name in the comments section below. I will be able to tell precisely where you're from if you do it this way, so that in the future, I can be certain that every single video I produce is intended only for you. So please share the name of your nation in the comment section below. Keep in mind that I have a special surprise for you after this video, so be sure to stay around and watch all the way through. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. It is necessary to follow 3 steps in this approach to earn $5 per minute by simply entering CAPTCHAs on the internet. The first step is to expose the names of the top 3 websites that compensate us for completing CAPTCHA riddles. The second step is that I will demonstrate to you the quickest method of cashing out on these websites. And the third step is that I will demonstrate a new strategy that has the potential to help you generate more money than anybody else in the world. The first website that we are going to discuss today is CAPTCHA.com, and it is a CAPTCHA solving service. This website is not the highest paying website, but later on, I will show you one that is the highest paying website in the world. As a result, be sure to stay around because I will be rating this from the lowest paying website to the most rewarding. I promise that you would be eager to get started with this since it has the potential to make you a large amount of money. In conclusion, this is a fantastic resource to get you started on the internet. As you can see below, you may earn money by solving CAPTCHAs, with prices beginning at 0.5 US dollars for every 1,000 CAPTCHAs solved. There are several companies out there that are operated entirely by computers these days. And as we all know, computers are incapable of solving these kind of CAPTCHAs. However, people can, which is why they use this to ensure that we are not robots and they will rely on you to solve the CAPTCHAs for them to do this. You may expect to get paid immediately. In the customer statistics section under rate, you can see that $0.75 per 1,000 regular CAPTCHAs and $2.99 per 1,000 reCAPTCHAs are charged. Worker statistics, $0.30 per 1,000 regular CAPTCHAs and $1.01 per 1,000 reCAPTCHAs are charged for the worker statistics. And it is quite simple to begin with this method. There are no requirements in terms of previous experiences or special skills. Please know that your support is really appreciated and that I would greatly appreciate it if you guys could click the like button and subscribe with notifications turned on if you guys are enjoying this video, which I have spent a lot of time and work into creating. Let's go back to the video now, shall we? Megatypers.com is the second website on the list, and it is the most popular. As you can see below, it is a simple profession that pays well. By just typing CAPTCHAs, you may earn typer credits worth more than $200 every single month. Megatypers.com is a workforce management firm that offers data input services to both commercial and public sector organizations in the United States. By transforming scanned paper documents into editable digital documents, we want to meet the needs of our clients who seek digitization assistance. Our services also include image-to-text recognition, voice-to-text transcription, and aiding the visually impaired in overcoming the visual obstacles of the internet. This website has a high level of credibility. They claim in this section that we are presently on the lookout for typers from all across the world. We need nothing more than a computer with an internet connection and the capacity to write at least 10 words per minute to collaborate with us. All of our schedules are flexible. You have the freedom to work at any time of day or night and for as long as you wish. In general, the faster you type, the more typer credits you earn, which can be traded for real money. Megatypers.com is ideal for a variety of people, including stay-at-home mothers, parents who need a second income, students, and those between employment. Once again, this is just the second highest paying website that rewards us for completing CAPTCHAs to earn money. Lastly, before we go on to the last website, please do smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. By doing so, you will be the first to know whenever I release a new video, and you will also be the first to try out the new skills that I will teach you in the upcoming videos. If you have any questions or recommendations, please post them in the comment box below the video. Let's return to the video for a moment. It is called CALOTIBABLO.com today, and it is the highest paying of them all. As you can see right here, there is steady work for everyone and it is accessible anywhere in the globe. Thus, this position is also available everywhere in the world. You can also see that this website has been in operation and paying its members since 2007, which is another bonus. They are quite precise in monitoring your progress and collecting your money since they have a highly accurate statistical system in place. Probably the nicest thing is that they pay consumers quickly via a variety of various payment choices. And if you continue to read down, you will see a large number of individuals from all around the world who have expressed their opinions on this website, including how they make money with it and how straightforward it is to use. Let me show you the testimony of Wilkin Marie. She says, I started working here in CALOTIBABLO last 2015. After I got into a serious motor accident, I stopped working, so I thought of another way to make a living. I searched home-based jobs and came across to this page. I tried it and it pays well. I am so happy that I found the CALOTIBABLO page because this helps me in paying my bills and sending my sister to school. I highly recommend CALOTIBABLO to my friends who don't have a job. Thank you very much, CALOTIBABLO. Another statement is from Joni Pabla. He says, Hi, I'm Joni, 23 years of age, working full-time as data encoder. It has been almost 3 years when I discovered Calo and worked in it. I used to work at Calo as my sideline. It really helps me a lot in times of financial problem. Yes, I have so much debt to pay even if my salary is high enough. In that case, Calo will be my financial assistance. Now that my finances are stable, I still work at Calo for my expenses and my family. Thank you so much, CALOTIBABLO, for being there. I could say that you're the best data entry job I ever tried. These two people share their testimony about the CALOTIBABLO website. If you'd like to discover more about these kinds of websites that pay you money for just entering CAPTCHAs, you may visit moneyconnection.com for more information. This platform will offer you even more websites where you may make even more money using the exact same strategy, which is to type CAPTCHAs to earn money online. And that is precisely how you get rewarded for just entering a CAPTCHA. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much and I'll see you in the next one.